as a professional kitchen solution provider from China since 2013, with customers in more than 160 countries. Sunrry Machinery supplies a complete line of catering equipment and utensils for hotel, high-class restaurant, fast food restaurant, central kitchen, supermarket, hospital, school, bakery, coffee copyright, snack bar, and so on. Sunrry manages a complete end-to-end business process, which includes manufacturing and sourcing, layout and design, installation and commissioning, training and after-sales service. Sunrry, your restaurant's best choice.